Hi guys, welcome home. Let's take a tour of this beautiful 2-bedroom apartment. So I'm pretending this is my house and I live in it, and I thought to share with you guys because I love it so much. Don't know about you, but when I walk into a 5-star hotel or even an Airbnb that's as beautiful as this, I always manifest it. I'm like, if someone can own this, then I can too. So this is me manifesting this apartment in the heart of Lagos in Nigeria. There are tiny details in this apartment that makes it very beautiful. First, the living area. The TV is given. The area, like the space in this place is amazing. I love how spacious it is and that freedom it gives. The dining is also very inclusive as well. I love that the artworks are in one particular area, but you have the black paintings as well. That gives this place a very detailed look. This suspended artwork as well was phenomenal. Like, I love that it was suspended and it was still stable. It wasn't shaky. It was very, very amazing. And it gave like the dining and the entrance a sort of demarcation, right? Which is amazing. There's also the console and the mirror, as well as the chandelier and the lighting. The artwork, the plant works as well were beautiful, minimal but very beautiful. There was also an area for like books and artifacts and all that people collect and stuff, which was phenomenal because it was amazing. It was giving this bougie but not overly there kind of vibe. The minimalist kind of decoration in this TV console was also amazing. I loved this woodwork that was there. The living area also has a balcony, phenomenal. As noted earlier, this is a 2-bedroom apartment and all the rooms have a view. I love that the rooms are just opposite each other with a view of the city as well. It's well lit, and it has a big mirror as well. Like, there's a big mirror in every room for you to like do stuff. You know, girls and mirrors have a thing. Also, the bathroom is just basic, but I love the tiles and the colors. So everything is just neutral and giving this pure hotel aesthetic vibes. The room as well is neutral, so any color in it will just literally pop, and I love that about this place. Like, the artwork was minimal and very okay. The living area is like the central area. Like I said, it's a 2-bedroom apartment, and it also has a functional kitchen. It's quite small, but it's functional for the purpose for which this apartment was created, which is an Airbnb. You guys got me there. So this is an Airbnb. It's not my apartment. It's an Airbnb, but it has a functional space. It has everything, an extractor, even the washing machine as well, the fridge, and every other thing works. Another favorite part of this apartment is the external part, right? This is what the corridor looks like. It has like a view of the city, and it's very, very spacious. Like you can have your pictures here. You can have like this gigantic mirror that I love. It gives you like a full view of everything that you are. See how pretty I look? This is what the view looks like. This is amazing, like literally amazing. It's neat, like squiggly neat, like with the potted plants in several locations, which is nice. It's not overly there, but it's there, right? I just love that it's very simple, clean, and very, very, very bushy. So another part is the swimming pool. They have like a swimming area downstairs. They also have a gym as well. Then the rooftop has like a sit out area, which is amazing. The view from here is amazing, I tell you. I love that in the evening you can just cool up here and stuff. So this is what the apartment looks like, the external part of the apartment. This is what the external part of the apartment looks like. It also has like an underground parking lot for your cars. And that's all for this video, guys. This is not my apartment. It's time to leave, right?